Alright you guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but welcome back to yet another video. This video is probably going to span over today and tomorrow. Today, just cleaning up the car, giving it a quick wash, and then tomorrow I will be taking the M340i to SuperDrive. It is SuperDrive's 5-year anniversary for Cars and Coffee. I've only been to one so far, so today's task is just going to be to wash up the car, get it cleaned up a bit. Look who pulled up. He's got his car wrapped. It's hard to pick up the color on camera, but it looks super clean in person. This is my first time seeing it. The camera doesn't do the color any justice, but it looks hella clean in person. Let's go dry my car before the sun does. All right, didn't record much, but car is all cleaned up. Gonna give it one final wipe down tomorrow. But yeah, I'll pick this back up tomorrow morning. Alright you guys, fast forward to the next day. It is currently 6:40 in the morning. I don't remember the last time I woke up at 6 on a Saturday, but it took everything in me to get up. These super drives don't happen too often, and I want to get you guys content and show you guys the cars that are in Sac and around Sac. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully you enjoy. Stay tuned. I'll try to record what I can. Hopefully there'll be some cool cars. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, very early here. Just pulled up though. This is the giveaway car for SuperDrive. Super clean on the T's. Like I said, we're super early, but yeah, parked up. Meet starts at 8. It is 7:16, so 40 more minutes still. This thing's hella nice. Everybody's slowly pulling up. I'll show you guys a little more once I'm done wiping the car down. That van's going crazy in the sun. Was fitted. Oh, with the tails. Alright, this is the whole Speedline crew, or most of them, I guess. Clean ass M3 on BBS. Hella clean. And I want to say, I swear to God, these are the same as Apple. That's why I brought the telephone today. I can't remember. They're making fucking crazy. Green goes crazy. Damn, hella deep. This thing's clean, man. Alright, y'all, 7:45. This is how it's looking so far. They're showcasing Speedline up here, and then it's still filling up. Clean ass engine bay. All carbon. Super nice. This yellow F80 goes crazy. Probably my favorite car here so far. Y'all see it? Damn. This color goes crazy. Hella nice. More cars pulling up. Crazy Rap Super. Alright, just picked up some unhealthy shit from Fat Bakers. But yeah, the meat's pretty popping right now. Packed. Alright you guys, show you this detail shop. Small little detail shop, but they got a lot of stuff. Yeah, cool. They got everything up in here. Got the music for sure. But yeah, quick look. Damn. Got the carbon on the carbon. Clean engine bay. Clean soup. I'm gonna try to show you around. Meat is pretty packed right now. I'm gonna go around and show you what I can. And yeah, oh shit, damn. Oh shit, I haven't seen this. My bad. Clean NSX. Alright, I haven't seen this. Full carbon fiber front end is wild. I'd crack this shit the first day. Lip, bumper, hood. Super clean NSX. Got an M5 right here. This color goes crazy with the wheels. What the hell? I don't know about that. Clean. Shit. The diamond stitching on the outside. Wheels are crazy. Another Supra. Clean. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys, there's hella cars that way, but damn, on the KFs, got the tire on the back, got the angle up front. Goddamn. Right here is VQ swapped. Big turbo, crazy. Okay, IPO. Watch out, Drew. I'm about to get hit. I don't know if you guys can see this or the camera's gonna pick it up, but the flake on this paint is hella nice. Clean setup. Clean wheels. Damn, there's all the way down there. All the way down here too. This is clean. Real clean. Shit, this color goes crazy. I don't know if it's wrap or not. Clean. Already know what he be doing with this big ass tire. God damn. Pop the hood, sir. Let me see if I can put my hell nah. Oh shit. God damn. Shit bigger than my head. Nah, that's crazy. He got bead locks all around. That rear tire is crazy. Mint NSX. Mint interior. Carbon. Damn. 300ZX. 86. Alright, let's keep walking. Oh, what the fuck? Why is this hiding in the corner, man? Damn. Hella clean. Alright, so if you guys know, I had the Q50 and wrapped it green, British Racing green. I wanted it to look as dark as this, but it ended up being hella bright. But if you didn't know, now you know. Going to the outskirts, seeing what's hiding back here. Man, nothing crazy down here. Bro's hood got an 8-pack on it, bruh. It's just crazy. 8-pack hood is crazy. Look, even his mirror crab's got a 3-pack. Alright, now it's time to hit the whole other side of the meet. Oh, hold the fuck on. This is hella clean. Clean and simple. Back Nismo on some LXZs with the carbon. I think that's my boy's old FRS. Goddamn, hold on. Let's see. What the fuck are these? 22s? God damn. Rich boy spec. Oh, Lotus gang. Oh shit, V spec. Clean. This shit just looks crazy from here. Laid out. Damn, there's hella cars on this side too. Clean GTR. CBR is hella clean. It's a little light. Damn. Ducati. What y'all think? Black on black? Black on black looks clean, but I feel like I'm gonna get bored of it hella quick. You got the clear tails on here. Okay. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it for the cars that are here. I don't think I've hit every car, but you guys can see it's pretty packed. Boys chopping. All right, y'all, just left Cars and Coffee or SuperDrive, getting gas because I'm hella out of gas. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, I'm out.